So how to set up your TarsoPro when you receive it. First of all, take it out of the box. Okay, just take it out of the plastic. You'll have a set of instructions there which you can use as a resource to be able to help you to continue to use the machine effectively. The first little bit of setup is just a little bit tricky. Everything should have your little stick and seatbelt material in underneath. So the first bit to set up, which you'll only need to do once, is to get the red strap in through this portion of the unit. So you'll just need to unzip the Velcro. Okay, just push the little webbing just down a little bit. Okay, then you want to, from the top, feed it in through that top slit there. Try to pull it all the way through. Then you'll need to come through to the undersurface, and we're going to go back through the return and through this little slit here. So what works the best is to try to get an edge in first, get it started, and kind of line up the rest of it in through the slit. You can see that starting to come through there now. Grab it, pull it through. That should come through there. Then lay it onto the Velcro there, and as you'll see shortly, we'll come and fit it directly for your foot. But once that's set up like that, you just need to leave it like that. Just to do the additional portions, just unclip it from the bottom. Okay, so you'll have one end with the large loop and one end with the small loop. So the small loop end will just need to go in through the middle, and then I usually just stick the little bit of dowel just in there. Okay, so that kind of holds it in there, and the big loop will sit over the back like that.